English speaking practice. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yes, I can understand you. Yes, I can understand you.
Do you like singing? Do you like singing?
I like it, but I can't sing very well. I like it, but I can't sing very well.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
Yes, I love pets. Yes, I love pets.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want to talk with you tomorrow. I want to talk with you tomorrow.
Do you know him? Do you know him?
No, I don't know him personally. No, I don't know him personally.
Why do you ask about it? Why do you ask about it?
Because I want to know it. Because I want to know it.
Do you love me? Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much. Yes, I love you so much.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you.
Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke. No, I don't smoke.
Do you think I am crazy? Do you think I am crazy?
No, I don't think you're crazy. No, I don't think you're crazy.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
He's an engineer. He's an engineer.
Do you know that shop? Do you know that shop?
Yes, I know that shop. Yes, I know that shop.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English fluently. Yes, I speak English fluently.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee. I prefer tea instead. No, I don't drink coffee. I prefer tea instead.
Do you like football? Do you like football?
Yes, I enjoy watching and playing football. Yes, I enjoy watching and playing football.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at a bank. I work at a bank.